Hey guys, gonna make a quick video here. Basically showing how to put these ends on if you have one that breaks and you need to replace it. So if you guys watched the last video, I had one of these that had broken off. This is actually to my on-off switch. So pulled it off. Pretty simple to get these ends off. You guys look down in there if I can get it to zoom. Maybe not. But on the bottom side of those, there's a little spot right in there you guys can kind of see. So you can take a screwdriver, really tiny flat blade, or I use this pick here. Basically the tip of that, you slip it in there, pop those off, and it just clips over the top of these little ends here. If I can get this to work. But anyway, you guys can kind of see that there, where it kind of clips over the top of those. So after you get that all kind of get it taken off, you can take your new nut here, slip it over your wires this way, which give me just a second, I'll show you that. All right, so you get it slipped over the top, it will actually pull right back down, and you can pull your wires right back up into it. So now I can take this, stick it on one of these over here that's not broken, probably this one, and hook these back in, have a sealed box again. Again, all these extras that you guys see here, I'm gonna take those off and silicone those, fill them up so there's no leaks to get into that box. So pretty simple. Again, once you get that done, you guys need to make sure you keep track of which one or where these each came out for their pins. So that way when you hook them back down here to your, to whatever they're going into, they're going back into the right place. So keep track of that, make sure you write it down. You know, if it's top left white, top right black, you know, whatever, write it down on a piece of paper, keep track, they pop right back in. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do. So if you guys have these that break, they're very, I don't want to say they're very easy to replace or fix, but they're not that bad. So anyway, if you guys have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.